Hey there, health enthusiasts. You've probably heard the buzz about apple cider vinegar and its weight loss benefits. But do you know the real reason why it works? Stick around to find out how this simple kitchen staple can help you shed those pounds. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the science behind apple cider vinegar and weight loss. We'll break it down into easy-to-understand points and share some real-life examples to make it relatable. Let's get started. Before we jump into apple cider vinegar, let's talk about liver health. Did you know that signs in your feet can indicate liver issues? Swelling, yellowish skin, and chronic itching are all red flags. Your liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying your body and metabolizing fats. A healthy liver is essential for weight loss. It helps break down fats and remove toxins from your body. When your liver is not functioning properly, it can slow down your metabolism and make it harder to lose weight. So, keeping your liver healthy is key. Apple cider vinegar has acetic acid, which helps improve liver function. This, in turn, boosts your metabolism and aids in weight loss. But that's not all. Acetic acid also helps control blood sugar levels by slowing down the digestion of carbohydrates. This means fewer sugar spikes and crashes, making it easier to manage your weight. Plus, it helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing those pesky cravings. Imagine this. You've had a long day, and you're craving something sweet. Instead of reaching for a sugary snack, you mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water. Not only does it curb your cravings, but it also helps your body burn fat more efficiently. Another great benefit of apple cider vinegar is that it aids digestion. It encourages the production of digestive enzymes and promotes gut health. A healthy gut means better nutrient absorption and a more effective weight loss journey. So, here are some actionable takeaways. Add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water and drink it before meals. Maintain a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and keep track of your progress. And remember, consistency is key. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and updates. Your journey to better health starts with small, sustainable changes. Cheers to a healthier you.